Question 1. What ethical arguments support granting animals rights comparable to humans?
Proponents argue that animals deserve moral consideration as sentient beings capable of suffering, urging societies to phase out exploitative practices like factory farming. Ethical frameworks such as animal rights theory draw a line between necessity and cruelty, advocating for humane alternatives in research. Critics, however, claim this stance overlooks human dependency on animals for survival. In my view, while absolute equality is impractical, regulations should strike a balance, reducing exploitation without throwing the baby out with the bathwater.
Question 2. Why do some defend the use of animals for human needs like food or science?
Animal use remains a cornerstone of medical and agricultural progress, with vaccines and nutrition research hinging on ethical experimentation. Supporters stress that responsible practices, such as welfare-compliant farming, cater to societal needs without crossing ethical boundaries. Yet, activists counter that technological advances now offer viable substitutes, like lab-grown meat. Personally, I believe pragmatic reforms, prioritizing reduction and refinement in animal use, can bridge the gap between necessity and ethics, avoiding black and white thinking.
Question 3. How does the debate reflect differing views on human versus animal value?
The debate boils down to whether humans hold intrinsic supremacy or share moral standing with other species. Anthropocentric views justify animal use as serving a greater good, while opponents make a case for interspecies equity, citing ecological interconnectedness. For instance, biodiversity loss rings alarm bells about human accountability. I side with a middle ground, recognizing human reliance on animals but steering clear of unnecessary harm, ensuring rights evolve without undermining critical needs like food security.
Question 4. Can technological innovation reconcile animal rights with human demands?
Breakthroughs like synthetic biology or AI-driven research hold promise for minimizing animal dependency, offering win-win solutions that take the edge off ethical dilemmas. Cultured meat, for example, could phase out livestock farming, while organ chips might replace animal testing. Skeptics warn such technologies may fall short logistically or financially. Nonetheless, I argue that investing in innovation is par for the course in progressing toward ethical sustainability, killing two birds with one stone, safeguarding animals and advancing human interests.
Phrasal verbs. Phase out means gradually eliminate. Draw a line between means clearly distinguish. Strike a balance means find a compromise. Throw the baby out with the bathwater means discard the good with the bad. Hinge on means depend entirely on. Cater to means satisfy desires. Bridge the gap means connect or reconcile. Fall short means fail to reach a standard. Investing in means putting resources into. Progressing toward means advancing toward. Advancing means progressing or developing. Idioms and related phrases. Throwing the baby out with the bathwater means discarding the good with the bad. Take the edge off means lessen the severity. Killing two birds with one stone means Achieving two things at once. Collocations. Moral consideration. Sentient beings. Capable of suffering. Exploitative practices. Factory farming. Ethical frameworks. Animal rights theory. Humane alternatives. Human dependency. Absolute equality. Societal needs. Ethical boundaries. Technological advances. Viable substitutes. Lab-grown meat. Pragmatic reforms. Animal use. Interspecies equity. Ecological interconnectedness. Biodiversity loss. Human accountability. Food security. Synthetic biology. AI-driven research. Win-win solutions. Ethical dilemmas. Livestock farming. Animal testing.
Thank you for watching. Please give us like, share, comment, and subscribe for more useful videos. Bye.